This project is done by Kai Won, Nancy Celine, and Wen Kei Chin. We're going to use three softwares: Photoshop, Flash, and After Effects. Now open Internet Explorer and copy the link and download the help frameworks. Now, as it's downloaded, it will be in a zip folders. Unzip it and you'll see two folders. Open HIP folders and examples. Then open Flash and open Sun Analyzers. Open the file called O5 Sun Analyzers. Go back and open the Big Mac Campus folders and open the Flash file O5 Big Map Campus. Open Edit and open Preference. Now click on Action Script. Open Action Script 3 settings. Open the folders and find the folder name HYPE. Now choose SRC. Now click OK and accept all your settings. Now we're going to work in Big Mac Canvas file. Press F9 and open your action window. Now go to Files Sun Analyzer and copy the quote from line 9 and line 14. Now go back to Big Mac Canvas file and paste it on line 17. Now go back to Sun Analyzers and copy the quote line 24 and line 25. Back to Big Mac Canvas and place it at the end. Go back to Sun Analyzer and copy the quote from 41 to 46. Now put it at line 60. Now put 2 slash in front of 68 and 71 to hide it. Now press Ctrl and return to test it. Now there is no problems into your coding. Now go back to Sun Analyzers and copy the quote from 955 to 57. Paste it in Big Map Canvas in the end. Now publish it and see your final outcome. By deleting the slashes in front of line 68 and 71. Also, changing the Y in line 68 to X. You see a new movement in your Flash Analyzer. If you want, you can change the music into your own songs by changing line 96 green letters into your own song's name with extensions. But however, you must put the music into the same folders with this Flash file. As you see, there's numbers in the coding. By changing them, you'll be able to see different variations. By changing false to true and true to false, you'll be able to see different outcome. After changing the code, save it as different versions. We have saved it into 9 different versions.
And then export. Export movie. Open file. Now type in a name and click save. Now here you see the numbers. That will be your last frame. And then export.
In the last few steps, we'll open After Effects. Now, put the 9 versions into After Effects. Then, combine it as you like. Export and save it. Here is the final sound analyzer that we produce. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoy it.